We've been all around the country, from Kabul down south to Kandahar, and then to Herat, and of course to Nuristan. So thank you very much for the hospitality of the Afghan Tour Organisation. I think I speak for both me and James to say that we think that Afghanistan could be the jewel in the crown of Asian tourism. It has the potential for really to be the best place in the region for the tourists to visit. You have everything here. Your people are kind. There's hospitality. You have diversity. There are people from different groups living together in Afghanistan. You have mountains, you have deserts, you have forests. Everything that Pakistan has, Afghanistan has, and maybe better. Everything Uzbekistan has, Afghanistan has, and better. The same with Iran, and same with the whole region. So I think really this could become a prime tourist destination in the future. Of course, there are a few problems at the moment. We understand that the Emirate is recovering from nearly 40 years of warfare. And in the past, the arrival of foreigners in some places has often meant for local people disaster. People are sometimes a little bit worried about the arrival of foreigners. But we hope tourists like us can change that perception in Afghanistan, and we can bring good for the people of Afghanistan. We can enjoy being here, and they can reap some benefit from us. The only thing I would say is that in the past, when the Americans were here and some of the agencies, there was a lot of corruption. They spent their money in a ridiculous way, spreading dollars around and also spreading corruption. And the future of Afghan tourism, I think it needs to be sustainable. I think there are a lot of jobs to be created in Afghan tourism. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity for Afghanistan, and we will